Huyo numurikito Vincent Mundago tebanga ekenyugwa nekebe.
Antu ali bekenyegwa mubwenete mwirigererie. Ndo sikabosio abarayi bensemelie kwamereria Eserekari nigo bakorire chingwana nekiombe bochori ne chimbebe a EGEIKARO ase baruro kwemurungani kwabo egati yemeroberie eganetie kubekwa nekiombe kyo oikerania obochori bwo mwaka gwechiri bobere 2025 nebere.
Bagosanga nabariki amang'ana amaya magega yegekaro ikyo nigo bono batebire nokugena kwabo buna ekiombe kyo ngechi konyarakoba ke osengechi konyarakoba ke gokora obochori oboikiranu hase batebire emyaka ya magega obochori nigo bwabeire bokubwatiranirwa nobotutukana.
Whatever this, we had misgivings about, the process that brought this commission on board and so on. But through this, we've had a cordial conversation. And they are public servants. In my own honest view, I've observed that there's a very serious sense of responsibility on a good number of them. And for the first time, we have agreed today, there are several lawyers who are here, we have institutionalized our interaction with them. We have agreed that we will set up a technical team on behalf of the United Opposition, and they will also appoint a technical team so that they can go through all those issues that we raised, blow by blow, and we will have another meeting to go through these issues.
We raised all these issues with them as to why no action has been taken. And today we want to say that they have told us they're only 3 months into the job, but they are preparing to do better in the next elections.
We have told them we don't think that is enough time. They need to do it for 2 months or 3. They have said they will start with 1 month, which is good, and we take this opportunity to ask the Gen Zs, because the registration has been going on at the constituency headquarters, and most of our young people have financial challenges. Once we have the mass voter registration that will be devolved to the polling stations, we want to ask our young people, the Gen Zs, and the professionals who are not registered before to go and register and acquire the tool to bring the change that they desire. We want to remind our young people they have done a lot on the smartphone to tell the people of Kenya we need change.
We were not happy with the process and the outcome. We started by telling them the perception out there is that this is a William Ruto commission, and we gave them the opportunity to prove us wrong. Not us, the whole country. So we were able to raise issues. We have said it openly, that we are very unhappy with the procurement process of the KIMS kits, the discredited Smartmatic organization, discredited worldwide. As you all know by now, the Carmagos and others, and what has happened in Venezuela recently. So they have to give us demonstrable outcomes.
Sure. And we have raised a number of issues. Like I've said, it was a courtesy call, but during that meeting we have raised a number of issues of concern about building trust of the Electoral Commission by Kenyans. We have raised issues of the just immediate past by-election and the one now coming, issues about security, many issues.